getting up my nostrils? It looks... Wow, what is going on here? Are we in the future again? I mean, I said I told you about Shanghai being the future, but now I think maybe Suzhou is a city of the future as well. Now it's gonna take me to the toilet. Ah, there's another robot there.
你好，我在抖音上经常看到你。
Do you want to be in the video?
Yes.
What do you want to say?
To BBC?
To BBC? Yeah, maybe not so like... Hello and welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, then my name is Jason, aka Wildman Cobra, aka Mr. Yuisa, aka Hamba Wang. And today we have come to a park in Suzhou, in Jiangsu province. So this place is called the Lionstone Forest. It's called Sijiling, and it was built in the Yuan dynasty, I believe. I've just found out, and has a history of 2,500 years old. Some traditional Chinese opera going on here. Supposedly the stones, I believe, are supposed to be in the shape of lions. I'm struggling to see any lions in these stones. I guess that could kind of look like a lion. Oh, so this is the lion ice cream. What flavor is that?
I'm not quite sure, but
Is it green tea or is it pea flavor? Peas.
I'm really not sure. I'm not over impressed over.
It's so hot. It must be about 35 degrees. Green tea flavor. Ah, okay. Well, they have some clothes here that we're gonna try on. Wow. Is it sure that's a men's?
Yeah.
So she just told me that this clothes is for a warrior, right?
Yes.
For a warrior who
This
has
is called 锦衣卫
who has a very high
martial art ability.
martial arts ability.
Who can fight?
I can't even put it on. Who can fight very well.
Use muscle.
That is, and use muscle.
Yeah.
That
not
is
with-
definitely
not
that
with
is definitely
weapon.
me.
I can help you.
No weapon, so I can fight without a weapon.
Yeah, people need to practice to have that type of power.
Oh, it's quite hot to put this on in this kind of weather.
Yeah.
Do I
And,
look like?
yeah, this type of warrior in the Ming Dynasty, they are not just able to fight. They also have very smart brain.
Oh, they're very wise too.
Yeah, they protect the emperor.
How do I look?
It's very nice.
Looks like a dress. Looks like a dress. So vivir en China, vente para acá. Pero creo que no le tienes que decir a nadie que miren qué bonitos. Oh wow. I have a
Yeah,
sword.
that's for you.
Ah, mira, le dieron una espada. La chica tiene como ¿cómo se dice eso, Rafa? If I get like a sword.
I think you can put
Oh
it
really?
back.
Yeah, put it
You
back.
know, for warrior, they are
Creo que yo
not
estoy muy never take
always
the sword.
take it out, right? Otherwise, blood, you will see blood, right?
Are you getting up my nostrils? Okay.
Bueno amigos, pues los voy a poner
Oh,
acá.
she's here. I can take this off, right?
Y me van a poner la ropa
It's kind of hot. It is very Yoisa.
打一圈换个地方，我得放下补了。
Ah, freedom. Back out into the open. So we've just come to the Suzhou Intelligent Manufacturing Integration and Development Center here. Oh, look at the floor. Wow, what is going on here? Are we in the future again? I mean, I said I told you about Shanghai being the future, but now I think maybe Suzhou is a city of the future as well. What on earth is going on? Well, look here. I just met a robot, and it's taking me to the. You just press here if you want to go to the toilet. Now it's gonna take me to the toilet. Oh, there's another robot there. It's just taking an empty tray to someone. So this way to the toilet. The robot is leading me to the toilet. Wow. And if I step in front of it, it will stop. Wow, that is cool. And it has to go around. What if I keep blocking it? Wow. Will the robot get annoyed and lash out somehow? Oh my god, look at this place. What is all this technology? What's going on? Oh wow. What is that? It's got a basketball on the end. What's it doing to that basketball? Leave it alone. What's going on here? They seem to all be gathered here. Ah, it's human versus machine. Wow. Seems like this robot's waiting for someone. Let's send him off to the toilet. Where's the toilet? Take it away, robot. Off he goes into the distance to find a toilet. Unfortunately, he can't use it himself because he's a robot. Just ordered a mouse to be made, right? The machine's just making a mouse there. You can see it, that blue mouse. And I have my name printed on it. And also I wrote a little sentence on it. I'm going to show you when it comes out. I think you might know what it's going to say. Oh, I'm getting my own mouse made here by a machine, an automated machine. There's a pink one being made there. That's probably for Lee from the Barrett channel. So here's my mouse that I ordered. I don't know why it's this big. I seem to have the world's largest computer mouse now. Wow, look at this. My mouse has arrived. Look on the box. My own personal mouse. My name's on it. Mr. Yoisa, right there. Can you help me open it up? Oh,
It's okay.
oh, that's not your phone. Oh, that's a power bank. Wow, look at this. Here's my mouse made completely by the machine. And where does it say? Does it say Mr. Yoisa? Oh, it says it here. And it says here Mr. Yoisa, and then it says, here we are. A little
Here we are.
here we are. Here we are.
Oh yeah.
Here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Here it says on the bottom there. Here we are. A little tip of the cap to BSB News there for this mouse. Wow, looks nice.
And it's kind of a night.
There's
sort of
Lee Barrett
shopping
there.
street. I'll just give you a quick look around.
Doing a bit of filming.
So you got like
Freya, what can you tell us about this street?
This street is very beautiful, especially at night. You can see
Especially
lots
at
of shops here.
Lots of shops.
Yeah,
And lots of river.
lots of tourists.
Lots of tourists
And
and
also, I think there are lots of native speakers.
native speakers.
Sorry, not native speakers, just native. Yeah,
Oh, natives.
Yeah.
Native Suzhou-ren.
yeah.
Oh, I've just found a strange store on this this street here. It's got two human-sized rabbits at the door, and it's called Afternoon Tea. Wow. Hello. 你好。
你好，我在抖音上经常看到你。
看我。
嗯，
哦哇哦，你好。
你好，
你好。会说英语吗？
a little.
Do you want to say anything? Do you want to be in the video?
Yeah, yes.
What do you want to say?
To BBC?
To BBC? Yeah, maybe not. So like, just keep a friend. We're doing a friendly kind of video today. No, don't be nervous. Can't lunging.
China is very nice, and Chinese is very nice.
Oh, okay,
Thank you.
yes. Very good. Okay, thank you. Here we have Suzhou Fan Museum. I wonder if it's going to be fan or not. I hope you all enjoyed that little joke there. Fan Buffan. We've come in a fan museum. I wonder if it's going to be Fan Buffan. I'm not going to lie. It's not exactly the most interesting museum about fans, to be honest with you. That was the fan museum of Suzhou. I hope you enjoyed it, all 10 seconds of it. Back to the streets. We've found a wild Lee in his natural environment, aka Li Ning, because he always wears Li Ning.
Li Ning jungle.
What's his store? Is it just like a it's a souvenir?
Yeah.
Stationery
I love
store.
this kind of stuff, like these little stamps.
Oh yeah. We
Nice.
both just signed. That's Lee's signature there. That's mine. They both just signed this piece of paper
Nice pen.
in the middle of Suzhou somewhere. So if you want to come in, we've got two autographs here of the one and only Lee Barrett and the Wildman Cobra, aka Li Ning there.
Oh,
So
that's a brush one.
if you're in
that is, look.
Suzhou, come and pick up this piece of paper. We're going to leave it here. I'll put it underneath there so you've got a chance of getting it. It's underneath there. There's Lee's like rifle there. It looks
I'll just leave one of my cards there inside.
Have you got cards? Like I saw Gyro Nation's got cards as well.
I got cards.
Oh no, what are you doing? Lee's going around giving out these cards. There's Lee's card there and the signature there. First person come and get it. You could sell that for $1 million. Alright, that's the end of this video and I will see you in the next one, and Lee has something to say.
Matcha ice cream. Take care.
Take care.